Alright, so we're going to do the Pixlr Part 1, color replacement. We're going to swap colors. They have updated Pixlr, so we are going to use the new version. So when I click on this, it loads up, select which photo editor I want to use. I'm going to use the powerful photo editor, the Pixlr E version. So there's the Launch Pixlr E button, and it loads up Pixlr E for me. So this is a very similar photo editor to Photoshop. So on my left I have Create New, Stock Search, Open Image, Load URL. I'm going to see Stock Search and see if I can find a good car to change the color. See if that works. Yeah, that's pretty good. I can use that. Or I'm going to show you the way to also do it from Google. So here's a Google search. I found a blue car. I'm going to make sure I click on the image. I want a nice large picture over here on the right side. So this one looks nice and clear. I'm going to just go ahead and, oh, no, not open it. Right click on it or control click on your Chromebooks. Copy image address. Then I'm going to go back to the photo editor, and then there's a load URL button, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in there, control V for paste, and load my image. Over here on the left hand side I have all my tools, and then I have my colors here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and click this red circle, and I'm going to choose a new color for my car. I'm going to pick a bright green, and then I'm going to look for the tool that says color replace. So it looks like a paintbrush with two arrows pointing, and if I hover over it, it tells me what it is. And you can see now my arrow has changed to a circle with a plus in the middle of it. Up here along the top, I can change the size of that circle. So I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger. You can change the softness, and you can even change the shape to square, stars, all kinds of random shapes. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as circle. Tolerance, that's how close to that blue you want to change. So now you can see my circle is a lot bigger. And then the plus in the middle is what color I'm going to change. So if I want to change the green on the leaves back here, that's what I'd be clicking on with the plus. But I want to change the blue. Remember, I can't change white, black, silvers. I can only change something that already has a color. And the brighter the color, the brighter it's going to replace it with. So if I have like a dull yellow color, it's going to replace it with a dull whatever color I want. So I'm picking a bright blue so I can replace it with a bright green. So all I do is click and I hold down on the mouse and I just start painting over my car. So anything that is blue is changing. You'll notice that the red did not change, only the blue is changing. So anything that had any part of blue in it is going to change. And now it is green. If I wanted to, I could just do like a slow fade. So if I change my softness up a little bit, I could fade from red to green. So that's a cool looking little fade there. And then I can even change to another color near the back, because why not? Kind of fun to have a multicolored car, right? Alright, so that is the color swap or color replace tool. And you guys are going to create two images and have fun with it. And then once you are finished with your colors, your designs, you'll go up to File and choose Save. You'll get all these choices. Type in your file name, recolored car. You could do flowers, you could do anything you want. Go ahead and just pick JPG. High quality is fine, and then there's a download button, and it will download it to your computer. Yay! Close that, and you are ready to go on a new one. You go up to File, choose Close, or New Image, or Open Image from URL to start a new one. Our next assignment, we'll check out layers, and you can see how that works. You can check out filters if you want to. Just kind of click around, see what the tools do, and have some fun.